Namaste. Happy day. Today I come to you with a sacred item which could enrich your whole being in multiple times. If at all, is there any measuring scale or something, it could have been measured. But the sacred texts state that it can be 1 is to 1 crore or 1 is to 1 crore plus benefits. This particular mesmerizing sacred item is not escaped any religion. Every religion uses this sacred item. So this is the only item which has become not untouchable to any religion. This is the Japamala. Holding a Japamala in your hand at the time of being connected with the divinity through meditation elevates you to the level of divinity itself, elevates you to the level of God. It builds bridges between us and the divinity. It creates a condition for connectivity between the unconnectable human and the connectable divine. The Japamala connects you with the heaven. The Japamala connects you with the planets and stars. The Japamala makes you from nothing to knowledgeable. The Japamala makes you ignorant to a knower. The Mala connects us from day to night. It allows us to transcend, take a transformation, take a quantum leap in our life. The Mala takes us to known from the unknown zone. The Mala could connect us from nowhere to anywhere. The Mala also could connect us from this world to other cosmos. The Mala connects the past and the future with the present with us. The Mala connects us from the body knowledge to the transcendental experience. Ultimately, the Mala connects us to the gods through our Guru and to Guru. There are variety of malas used by many people, right from wood, charcoal, plastic, synthetic items, or made out of some leaves, made out of some unknown materials, made out of coral, made out of tulsi seeds, made out of yakka gida, yakka flowers, made out of kachu wood for negative purpose, made out of turmeric, made out of lotus seeds, rudraksha, spatika or crystal or quartz or alum, made out of holy grass, durba grass, and made out of glass or made out of some gemstones also. From anything you can make a mala. The meditation mala will have 108 beads, and there will be one bead above it which is called Meru or Sumeru or the Guru. We will discuss how to meditate little later, but the malas made out of 108 plus 1 is more sacred. Also 54 and 27 are used, but less than 27 has no meaning. 54 also can be used with some results. 27 it denotes the 27 stars. 108 denotes 108 padas of 27 stars. The place determined for the purpose of doing the japa also yields some results. Sitting at our own home and doing the dhyana or japa as per the sacred texts say it yields just 1% of the result. Whereas performing japa or dhyana with beads at a place of near the well, near a pond, near a lake, near a river, ocean, mountain, etc. yields double the result, that is 2% of the result. But if you are able to sit at a place where the cows are tied, the cow shed, when you are able to sit at that place and do the japa, the Shastras say it yields 100% results. Now we can determine how to increase our japa into 100%. Now what are all we have lost coming to the city, you can understand. The japa is always counted and with numbers whenever number of recitations. While counting the numbers, we lose concentration on consciousness, or we are more interested in counting than recalling the presence of divinity with us. As a result, the counting must be stopped, but some other device is given by the Japamala itself. It can be done through the fingers also. That fingers are counted like this, like this, like this it comes. People keep a thread and for each 14 they will put one knot up to 108. By counting, they forget the consciousness or the awareness or concentration on the divinity. As a result, this produces very less result, maybe 1% or so. Right hand there are marks, rekas. With that rekas also counting can be done. That produces 8% of the result, 8 to 10%, not more than that. The sacred grass, what we use for Tarpanam or Sandhya Vandana, the Durva or Bermuda grass, what we call, the malas are done out of that. And if japa is made out of the Durva grass, balls made out of it, special balls are made out of using the Durva grass, that produces 1 crore % of results. That's what the Shastras say. There is a flower also called Vaijayanti flower, which according to my knowledge very rarely available at Vrindavan, at Sri Krishna Janmashtami place, somewhere in and around. With that flowers, if japa is made, it gives much more than the Durba grass itself. But there are 3 sacred items: the Rudraksha, the Tulsi Mala, and the Spatika Mala. These 3 things bring multiples of 1 crore of results when japa is performed with these things. When japa is done with the help of these sacred items. So now it is left to you whether you wanted to possess a original Spatika Mala for your japa, or you wanted to use your fingers, or you wanted to use an electronic counter. That is left to you. Whenever you buy one Spatika Mala which gives long duration of life, then Tulsi Mala, then Rudraksha. Getting a small Rudraksha is very difficult, but Spatika Mala with proper certification from the qualified and certified lab will definitely go a long way. We have given one to each member who participated in our spiritual tour last time when they accompanied us for the Babaji cave tour. So that was a very good quality, affordable price also, with certification. Possess one. The bag which accommodates the sacred mala is revered so high because it is giving an accommodation. It is just like Garbhagudi. It is like the womb of the mother, where we are protected for 9 months. So the Japamala is protected in the sacred bag. That bag also is so sacred. Now, how do we do the recitation? We have to count by using the thumb as well as the ring finger. By keeping like this, we will have to go from bottom to top. When it comes to the Sumeru, that is after one mala like this, it comes to the Sumeru, you are not supposed to cross the Sumeru. From there, then you will have to come reverse of it, if at all you want to go for beyond 108. Otherwise, you stop there only and your counting is over. This is the easy method of doing it. So, I will strongly advise you to possess a Japamala. When you keep a Japamala and recite 108 times Gayatri or Om Namah Shivaya or any sacred your Kuladevata mantra or whatever it is, by the time sincerely you count 108, you will touch the top. You will be on the trance and you will lose yourself. Each time you use a Japamala with sincerity, each time you will experience Nirvikalpa Samadhi. All the very best. Good day. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.